It is my last Fabfitfun box. I do have some mystery bundles and add-ons, but this is my last box. This is one that I put together. So if you want to see what my choices were, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Chloe, and Bandit is hanging out with my mom. But, right? No, he's not here. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So, this is my series of mistakes were made, but we're going to move on with it and just move forward. So, this is a box that I put together from Fabfitfun. So, these were all my choices. So, I have some jewelry. I have by Our Spare Change. This is a bangle. It does, it's adjustable, so it obviously looks very small out of the box, but it is adjustable. I'm not going to move this one because this is not staying with me. I already have one, but it's very pretty. And by Set and Stone, some fancy packaging. All right, that's a pretty anklet. And this is just the right time of year for a nice anklet. Look at that, right in my way. From Swell, we have this little container here. So I did get one in one of my other boxes. But these are super useful because you can have the whole thing. This is adjustable. You can move it anywhere. And it matches the set that we got, I think it was last spring or summer, with the salad bowl or fruit bowl and the water bottle. By Show Me Your Moo. I actually have one of these already open. So it's got a nice woven exterior with these nice canvas straps. It does have a zipper, so you can zip it closed, which is nice. Beautiful interior with a nice pocket, and it expands out pretty nicely. So this would be great for going to the beach, going shopping, farmer's market, or even just bring your stuff into work. From Thrive, we have the Liquid Lip Balm Treatment. This is a clear in Vanilla Swirl. And it's just supposed to be very, very moisturizing. And then by Marilyn Schiff, we have the twin to this one, only in a gold tone. This is an adjustable ring. It does take a little bit to work it to get it to adjust, but there is how it looks. But it's a great thumb ring too. And that was what I chose for my box. So tell me, what was your favorite item? I loved everything I put in this box, to be honest with you. I love that bag though, so I'm gonna say that's my favorite. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.